Tim Kanak with Perkins Roofing. I am waterfront right now on Hutchinson Island in Stewart area, and you can see that I'm on a TPO roof. This roof ain't that old, but there's all kinds of problems. Basically, all the chem curves are all bad, need to be resealed. There are boards popped up all over the place because whoever did this roof did not put counter flashing in, or they did not wrap up the wall and put coping cap. So we have liquid flashing around trim bar is what we have throughout the roof. And look, there's water around the whole roof. So we have this beautiful wall that has hold water all around the roof, and because of this, it's causing the outside of the wall. I'll show you from the drone what that looks like. Other issues on this roof. On the perimeters, you're supposed to run 5-foot rolls of TPO. They ran a 10-foot roll, and obviously they did a terrible job at tapering the roof. The drains are all over there. Look at all this ponding. It's just a terrible job. And last, besides all these terrible problems and no counter flashing, check this out. TPO is only 60 mils. It punctures easily. I found this hole in the roof here. You can see how thin this is. I can just pull it up with my finger. And here's the insulation. It's all waterlogged. This is all just insulation. But this is the thickness of your roof if you're doing TPO. Just this. This is your roof. This little baby tab right here. This is why TPO sucks. And I recommend asphaltic. When I'm doing a polyglass roof, we're looking at like 300 mils. And if you have one issue like a hole in your rubber, it's not gonna cause giant water intrusion throughout the whole roof. This is just completely soaked. Disgusting. TPO sucks. Do asphaltic. If you want a good roof, a good flat roof, instead of cheap crap like this, because all these condos, what they do is they put the cheapest crap on because it's usually 70 or 80 year olds on the board and they don't care. They're gonna be dead, whatever, in 10, 15 years anyways, what they always tell me. So they're gonna be dead anyway, then they're gonna leave you with this. You buy a nice condo, you think you're getting a great beachfront vacation home, and then now you've got to deal with all these problems because this maintenance to fix all this crap is probably gonna be in the $30,000 to $40,000 range. And if they put a new roof on, because this roof I think is only like 12, 13, 14 years old, if they put a new roof on, they're probably looking at close to 300 grand because you need crane, you need high reach, you need to bring everything up and down. It's just a pain in the ass. So that's kind of what you're looking at on a roof like this. But TPO sucks. Call Perkins Roofing, asphaltic polyglass roof for Miami-Dade, Broward, the Keys, 305 MIA roof. For Stewart, where I am now, for Palm Beach County. Give us a call at 561-559-ROOF. I'll show you the spalling thing too. This is actually where we did the boardwalk. You see the beautiful boardwalk down there. Perkins Construction. We can do boardwalk, we can do concrete repairs, we can repaint your house, we can do impact windows and doors. We do it all. Perkins Construction. Give us a call, those same numbers, and franchise with me if you want to be up in the beautiful roof like this on the ocean. Franchise with me. Franchise at perkinsroofing.net. Thanks for watching. TPO sucks. Go asphalt. 60 mils, come on, that's nothing. Look what happens, 60 mils, this garbage. You gotta put on multiple layers on a flat roof. People are walking on this. Like, that's how you get holes. And not to mention, steel fans on the ocean. Galvanized steel on the ocean. Come on, people. Stainless steel. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Spend some money. Do things the right way from the beginning. You'll save money in the long run.